If you are still doing everything manually as a freelancer, writing proposals from scratch, editing your own content, searching for information one tab at a time, you are working twice as hard as you need to. There are 5 AI tools available right now, most of them free, that are doing the heavy lifting for thousands of freelancers every single day. And in the next 10 minutes, I'm going to show you exactly what each one does, how to use it, and why you need it in your workflow starting today. Stay until the end because tool number 5 is the one most people overlook, and it is probably the most valuable one on this list. Let me be straight with you. AI is not going to replace skilled freelancers. But here is what is absolutely happening right now. Freelancers who use AI are replacing freelancers who do not. The difference is not talent, it is leverage. A freelancer using these 5 tools can take on more clients, deliver faster, and produce better work than someone spending 3 times as long doing everything manually. I have tested dozens of tools over the past year. These 5 are the ones that have made the biggest measurable difference in time saved, quality of output, and actual money earned. Let us get into them. Tool number 1 is ChatGPT, and before you scroll past this thinking you already know about it, I want to show you something most freelancers are not doing. Most people use ChatGPT like a search engine. They type a vague question and get a vague answer. That is not how you get value from it. The way to use ChatGPT as a freelancer is to give it a role, a context, and a specific output format. Watch this. What just came back in 15 seconds would have taken me 45 minutes to write from scratch. That is the real use case. Not asking it general questions, giving it a specific role and a specific task with specific context, every time. Use it for proposals, cold emails, content outlines, client reports, social media posts, and research summaries. Free tier available. ChatGPT Plus at $20 a month unlocks GPT-4o, which is significantly more capable. Tool number 2 is ElevenLabs, and this one is specifically for any freelancer who creates any kind of content or media. ElevenLabs generates human-quality AI voiceovers from text, not robotic text-to-speech. If you are still doing everything manually as a freelancer, writing proposals from scratch, editing your own content, searching for information one tab at a time, you are working twice as hard as you need to. I mean voices that sound like a real person recorded in a studio. If you create video content, podcasts, online courses, explainer videos, or any kind of audio, this replaces the need to record your own voice, hire a voice actor, or use the low-quality text-to-speech tools that were available even 2 years ago. For freelancers who produce content for clients, video editors, content creators, social media managers, this is a billable service you can offer. Create professional voiceovers for your clients at almost zero cost and charge premium rates for the result. Free plan gives you 10,000 characters per month. Paid plans start at $5 a month. The link is in the description. Tool number 3 is Perplexity AI, and this is the one that replaced Google for me entirely when it comes to research. Here is the problem with Googling things as a freelancer. You get 10 blue links. You have to open 5 of them. You read through paragraphs of irrelevant content to find the specific data point you need. That process takes 20 minutes for something you should know in 2. Perplexity gives you a direct, sourced answer in under 10 seconds. Watch what happens. It pulls from multiple current sources, cites them, and gives you a clean summary with the specific number you needed. Use this for client research, industry data, competitor analysis, writing statistics into your content, and staying current in your niche without spending an hour reading articles. Completely free. Pro version at $20 a month adds more sources and better models. Tool number 4 is Canva, but specifically the AI features inside Canva that most people are not using. If you are using Canva just to drag and drop templates, you are leaving most of its value on the table. Magic Write generates copy directly inside your designs. The background remover eliminates the need for Photoshop for basic image editing. The AI image generator creates custom visuals for any design without needing a stock photo subscription. For freelancers in design, marketing, content creation, or social media management, these features alone save hours per week. Canva Free is genuinely powerful. Canva Pro at $13 a month unlocks all AI features and is worth every cent if you are producing visual content regularly. Affiliate link in the description. Number 5 is Notion AI. And this is the one most freelancers overlook because they think Notion is just a note-taking app. It is not. Notion with AI is a complete operating system for your freelance business, and the AI layer on top turns it into something genuinely powerful. Here is how I use it. Every client has a page. Every project has a database. After every client call, I paste my rough notes and ask Notion AI to extract the action items, summarize the key decisions, and draft a follow-up email. That process takes 3 minutes instead of 25. For freelancers managing multiple clients, this is the difference between a chaotic business and a professional one. Notion Free Plan is available. Notion AI adds $8 a month on top of any plan. Link in the description. So to recap the 5 tools. Number 1, ChatGPT for writing, proposals, emails, and research summaries. Number 2, ElevenLabs for professional AI voiceovers. Number 3, Perplexity AI for fast, sourced research. Number 4, Canva AI for design, images, and visual content. Number 5, Notion AI for client management and workflow automation. None of these require technical skills. All of them have free plans. All of them work together. The freelancers using these tools right now are not smarter than you. They just started earlier. If this was useful, subscribe. I post practical AI tool breakdowns every week. Drop a comment below telling me which tool you are going to try first. And if you want the full list of 100+ AI prompts I use in my freelance work every single day, the link to grab that is in the description. See you in the next one.